Hey guys, it's Christopher over at Funtown RV here in Corsicana, Texas. One of Funtown RV's super stores. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on this big guy behind me. It's the Cameo CE3891MK. Guys, that MK is not Michael Kors. It stands for mid-kitchen. So it's going to be that rear living with that mid-kitchen. So much fun. Let's look at some of those amazing features. Let's go. All right, guys, this has the Curt Rotoflex. It is already on this Cameo. Definitely did not leave anything untouched. They went above and beyond. So right down here, though, I want to point out that this is already prepped, generator prepped. Has your wiring right there, able to put it in the box right here. And then, of course, we have our hydraulic fluid tank and our batteries right here. That's right, guys, I said hydraulic. That's hydraulic fluid for these stabilizing jacks right there. So that means it is hydraulic leveling system. Key features to see. Let's go take a look at some of those other amazing features. All right, guys, on this door side, first key feature you're gonna wanna see is Furrion went ahead and put it pre-wired for the side marker cameras. So that is an amazing feature to have. So it's gonna help eliminate those blind spots because this is such a humongous fifth wheel. You wanna be sure that you're safe and having fun. One of our 2 propane tanks. Guys, whenever you pick up at our delivery facility, these will be filled and the batteries will be there. That's part of Funtown's package. We have no hidden fees. The price of the camper is going to include your propane, your batteries, your pre-delivery inspection, and your walkthrough, and many other amazing things. So as we continue on, this is our pass-through storage here. So tons of room all the way across, you're able to see. And you see these little boxes right here? Let's take a look right there. That's a fan. You're like, what do I need a fan for? Well, guys, Cameo wanted to do this next level stuff right here. They went ahead and made it where you can twist this right in here and it turns on and you have a fan that can run off the power of your 12-volt awning. I know, that's crazy, right? That's right, guys. It's a 12-volt awning that you can pull power from to be able to put your fans on. It's one of those features that Cameo definitely didn't want to leave untouched. Right here, as always, guys, make sure our door is all the way open. We want to make sure this part right here does not touch our screen. We pull our steps up. They are easily adjusted just by these little buttons right here. And to lock it in place, we pull our blue lever right there. It locks in. We're able to close the door, start the fun. But let's say we just got to the campsite. Pull that out, grab our handle, adjust these to no matter what terrain, and make sure that when we put it all the way down, we want that space right there to be at that level to ensure that our door closes smoothly and we're able to get up there and start having that fun. Second, that's right, second 12-volt awning. So you have one, the main awning, and this one is on the slide, so you still have that shaded area. So you're not losing it just because you have that slide out right there. All right, guys, here in the rear, Cameo definitely didn't cut any corners. We have the pre-wired for a Furrion rear camera. So you're gonna wanna get with one of our Camptown associates. They're gonna be able to show you the 7-inch screen. You're like, Christopher, why do I need the 7-inch? Well, the 7-inch screen, you're able to view all the cameras at once or pick which one you do want to view. Because remember, you have the side markers and now the rear camera to ensure your family safety. Guys, the safety makes it where we ensure the fun. And then right here, of course, we're gonna have our receiver. That's gonna be great whether you have the luggage rack or whatever you need to put down back here to add on that extra cargo room. We have the rear ladder right here with a weight limit of 250. So that's gonna be an awesome feature to have. If you need to clean off the top of any of your slides or do anything like that, you're able to do so. Woo, guys, we just took a look at the outside of the 3891MK made by Cameo. So this is a fantastic camper. We saw all those amazing features on the outside. Before we go take a look inside, I wanna make sure you like, follow, and share. You're gonna wanna join our Facebook group. Funtown has put together a Facebook group called Texas Buy, Sell, Trade, Tips, and Tricks. So it's gonna be helpful for the experienced camper or someone brand new to the game. Anything that you can suggest to the group. We have over 3,000 members currently and we are growing every day. So it is an awesome page. You're gonna see the link for that group in this video. And then remember, guys, with Funtown, it always starts here. Let's go take a look inside. All right, guys, now that we are inside the Cameo, so many awesome features to go over. First off, we're in that kitchen. Remember, guys, MK mid-kitchen. So right here, we're gonna have that 3-burner stove. Look at this range up top, guys. It's all about the amenities from home on the go. stove and oven, and then plenty of storage room all the way around. Above, below, beneath, it's all here. All right, guys, right behind me, check out this amazing Samsung fridge. Look at how much space we have in here. Your drawers and stuff, they're in here. We let you set it to the height you want. And then right below our fridge, of course, is gonna be that freezer. So plenty of room in there. And then we slide this out. And that's right, guys, that is the ice tray. So that's right, we're getting ice, we're staying cool, we're having fun. All right, guys, check out this island with this sink. Ready? Watch this. We have the trays right there. We have the butcher block. Fits right there in the sink, easy to wash off. We have the tray, so we're able to wash the potatoes. And then look how big this sink is. Guys, this sink is humongous. You could wash a dog in this sink with how big it is. It's so deep, but right across from that, check out my counter space. The amount of counter space they gave us in this camper is top notch. With our microwave above, storage below, they did not cut any corners, guys. And then, of course, we're going to have our TV right here. This is a Connex TV. You may have seen in some of our other videos. So this TV is a 50-inch TV, but it's not like any other TV that you're going to find at a normal department store. So this TV is RV rated. So you can get with one of our Camptown associates to help you out if your camper does not already have a TV, because RV rated TVs are going to be rated to go down the road, absorb the shock, but also whenever it's closed up, you're not using it, it can get really hot in here. So they are rated for that temperature as well. So it's all about those key things that help you keep having fun. Then right here behind me, guys, just as easy, cushions come off. This right here folds up. Our legs pop down. We lay down and we're ready for bed. That didn't even take a minute, right? So just as easy, here we go, up. Fold down. Our cushion's back. And it's like it never happened. All right, guys, with this much room right here, we're gonna have our control panel. So we're able to light up. We have USBs in both these. We're able to have heated, adjust our backs, but it's right across from our Greystone fireplace. This is a 12-volt fireplace, able to not only give you the ambiance of a fire, but also that heat. So it's gonna be great in the wintertime, help you save on that propane, and heat this area, and look good while doing it. All right, guys, right next to me is gonna be that dinette. So much room, so much space. Take a look at these windows. Right now, you're getting that great shot of Corsicana's indoor showroom, but that's gonna be the key thing that you're gonna wanna look for whenever you're picking your RV spot. Whenever you're picking out that camping spot, planning their trips, you wanna make sure that you're getting that spot that's gonna maximize that view, because they've already set it up for you. Now all you have to do is pick the right spot. With this dinette, let's say you need a little extra room. It folds up just like that. That slides out, and now we have a bigger table. So you're always gonna wanna make sure though, before you close your slides, you slide that back in, it folds right back down, and we're able to close everything up. You're wondering what I'm sitting on right here, guys? This is going to be the bench. There is actually storage in the bench below, so it's all about maximizing storage. Cameo went ahead and took the feedback that we give them, that we receive from customers, and one of the biggest things that customer needs is more storage. Well, they went ahead and added storage anywhere they could think of. So we're gonna make sure that you're able to bring anything and everything on that camping trip. All right, guys, before we head upstairs into the bathroom, this is gonna be our control panel. So this is gonna control our slides, our awnings, our lights, read our tank levels, all that good stuff. But, real quick, Cummins by Onan, right here. Because remember, I told you it was generator prepped. Well, it is. They actually have the control panel prepped inside as well. So whenever you purchase your generator, have it installed, well, that's one less thing that you're gonna have to take care of, because it's already prepped inside as well. So it's all about those little things that Cameo went above and beyond on. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Hey guys, now that we're in the bathroom, one quick thing I want to show you. We have the double vanity here. Check out how much storage I have. Tons of room in here. We have the humongous shower. Come take a look at this, guys. I have a bench right here. I'm able to relax, chill, So much room, so much space, triple sliding door. And then whenever I'm done, humongous bathroom. So this is on a slide out. I know you're like a slide in the bathroom, Christopher, that's next level stuff. It is. And porcelain toilet, again, bringing those amenities that are at home on the go with you. Storage, plenty of storage. Like I said, they went above and beyond on this one. Now, let's go take a look at that bedroom. All right, guys, there is so much room, so much space, so much fun. Right here behind me, right now, all you're gonna see is my indoor showroom, which is fantastic, AC controlled, cool all year round, no worry about the heat, rain, no matter what. But whenever you're at the campsite, you wanna make sure that you have that great view to wake up to. So we're gonna have plenty of windows in here. We have the windows here, and then on the opposite side, in a second, I'm gonna show you the windows that you'll get to take a look at there. But other than that, we have the shelves right here with the USBs. Let me make the bed real quick, guys. Make sure it looks all pretty before I leave again. Lights right here, controlled on the sides. Able to turn it off, so maybe if one person's reading a book and the other one's not, you're able to do so. Plugs right here. You have the extra shelf right here with storage beside it. But there's other features that you're gonna wanna see in here, guys. Second AC up top. And then we're all about setting the mood, having fun, right? What's more fun than a fireplace in the bedroom? That's right, guys. We are setting the mood. We are having fun. You are getting that heat, saving that propane, saving money, and having fun. Because remember, nobody does it better than Funtown RV. Connex TV in here, so that's 2 ACs, 2 TVs, 2 fireplaces, all at the low price already. And then we're going to open this right here. It is prepped for a washer and dryer. Or if you don't need it, there's plenty of hanging room. And then right here, guys, able to open this up. If you needed a desk, you're able to do so right here, or if you just need the extra storage space. So it's all about those great features that they thought of whenever they put this together, and Cameo definitely knocked it out of the park with this one. All right, guys, we just took a look at the Cameo CE3891MK by Crossroads. It knocked it out of the park with this one. Just like Funtown RV did with our new Facebook group. We are currently at 3,000 people and growing every day. It's called Texas Buy, Sell, Trade Tips and Tricks. It's gonna be a great tool for you, a resource for the experienced camper, the new camper, and everyone in between. So join the group, make camping fun again, and remember, guys, the fun starts here.